Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to list on Etsy using Printify. Etsy Print on Demand step-by-step tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, to get started, we're first going to have to set up our Printify account and Etsy account. After making sure that you already have your accounts in Etsy and Printify, especially in Etsy, you would need to have to verify your account and verify your store to be able to connect it. Now go over here in Printify, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on My New Store over here on the top right, this option over here. Select that, and you will be able to see all the different platforms that you are already connected to on your Printify account. So to be able to add your Etsy or to connect your Etsy, you're going to have to click on Manage My Stores or Add a New Store. So simply add or click that, and as you can see, you will be able to see the option Etsy over here. Now Etsy is very easy to connect. As you can see here, Etsy provides a fast and easy way to get started selling and reach over 96 million active buyers worldwide. It is very easy to set up and start selling. There is a large audience and traffic, and there is a low listing fee. So simply click on Connect to Etsy over here, which would allow you to connect Etsy and Printify together. Now, when creating a product in Printify, let's go and create a product very quickly. Let's click on My Products over here, and let's actually create an order. Click on Create Order, click on Manual, and now this is for adding products on a specific store. Actually, let's create a new product entirely. So let's go to the dashboard, and over here, let's choose a product that we would like to sell or we could sell. For example, we have here some natural tote bag. So let's select this natural tote bag over here. And when you select a product, you will be able to see like information about that product, of course, like the size, material it is created to. Like click on product details. You will be able to see key features, care instructions, size guide, and many more. You are able to sell different types of product in Printify. You are not limited to bags or tote bags. You are able to sell from t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, baby clothing, journals, bags, and different types of accessories. There are specifically for women and specifically for men or child as well. So simply search for the product that you would like to sell in Etsy, of course. In Etsy, there's a lot of different variations of product. There's also some clothing, bags, purses, homemade jewelries, crafts, supplies, and many more. So what you're going to do is to select the product that you think would sell a lot in Etsy. And for example, we're going to go with t-shirt. You can simply select t-shirt over here. Look for products that fit the type of design that you're trying to sell. Because if you hover on the images of each of these products, you can see that they have different type of sizes for the design. Although some are the same size, but as you can see, for example, this one is a bit smaller than this one over here, but also this one allows you to create a design for the entire item or for the entire product. So simply select the one that you like. For example, there are three different categories as well. You have the express delivery, meaning this products or this product labeled as that has express delivery. And then you have bestsellers over here, meaning these are products that people who are using Printify are actually buying the most. You could help yourself with some filtering over here from the left side, like colors, branding, print area, print providers, sizes, and many more to help you find the specific product that you're trying to buy or you're trying to sell. So let's select a random design for now. For example, this one, like what we saw earlier, you will be able to see like key features and many more. You will be able to see the best print provider. The print provider is already selected for you, and this is like the best available option. But you could also show additional print providers over here, which would allow you to see and view other print providers that could provide the product for you. And each print provider has a different option. For example, The selected one is $35 only, while this FYBY product or print provider over here only sells, or rather sells 69 colors at least, and others are different. So simply click on Start Designing. Now, you could get your designs from your device. You could use an AI image generator, custom text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, or hire someone from Fiverr. There is a print file requirement over here, so make sure that you follow it so that you won't have any issues with your design. You can also view your library, which would allow you to view designs that you have previously uploaded before, which would save you a lot of time. And you have your templates and graphics as well. You could use the graphics over here on the right side to build your design, and the design is completely up to you, of course, but you could utilize all the different elements available for you to use over here. Simply click and drag, or rather click on it, and it will be added on your design just like that. But for me, I would preferably use Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, we could visit it right now. Canva is a platform that allows you to create designs with hundreds and thousands of templates or other elements. For example, let's create a random design over here. Let's exit this. And over here, you will be able to utilize the elements section, which would basically allow or give you any elements of any topic that you provided. So for example, we could go with vegetable, and it will provide you with graphics, photos, or even videos. And you could utilize all of this to build a very good design altogether, basically dragging it just like that. And then you can simply download this as a PNG, go over here in Printify again, and upload it. For us, let's go and upload a simple design for now. For example, this one. Then we have this as our old design that I have created previously. You can also view the backside and add a design in the backside as well. So let's add a random design, for example, this one. And now we have a design at the back part of our t-shirt. Let's enlarge it. There we go. Let's put this in the center if possible. There we go. Then you can also click on preview, which would allow you to preview it from the person one, or rather a mock-up of a person wearing the t-shirt, as you can see here. And then you can set it up as realistic so that you have a realistic view of your design. There we go. Now I would suggest that you put it up higher for this one, like up here, but the design would be smaller. Let's actually make it small and make it in the middle. Click on preview, and I think it looks better now. There we go. Then simply click on save product, and then we will be able to proceed. And over here, you can simply enter like the title, description, pricing, and then over here, this is where you'll be able to publish it to your Etsy store once you actually connected it with your Etsy. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to sell digital products, or rather print-on-demand products with Printify. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.